Gates open, they're up and racing, security check, Verswa, catch me if you can, speed maker, peace and love, Tarlac, emergency call, be nice, Isco, second last, and Gundam Exia is the early trailer, about to pass the last 900, security check by about a length and a half, Versua, catch me if you can, racing in third is speed maker, be nice. Now moving up and almost catching the fourth spot. Then comes Peace and Love, Emergency Call, Tarlac, third last, second last, Isco, and Gundam Exia. Past the last 600, security check, catch me if you can. Moving up on the outside, Bersua, be nice. He's running by the rail as they race to the last 450. Catch me if you can, leading the field. Then running on the outside, Versua, be nice, moving up, Gundam Exia with the last 200 meters more to run. Catch me if you can, Versua, moving up on the outside. Catch me if you can, Versua. Now leveling up and finally Versua. Catch me if you can, Gundam Exia, Tarlac, and Speedmaker for your Pentapecta.
At